Easy Rooter Plumbing has been serving Northern Nevada and the Lake Tahoe area for over 30 years. We are the trenchless no-dig experts. Sewer pipes corrode and break down with age from tree roots, dirt, and debris. Once this happens, you can find these critters in your sewer lines. Easy Rooter Plumbing can make your sewer line like new without digging up your yard or street. Call today for a free consultation and estimate. Easy, the first name in plumbing.